Alright, so you may recall the quadratic formula. It's written at the top of your sheet. It was used in the last topic, so you're certainly aware of it. What we're interested in today is the bit under the square root. Essentially, when under the square root is negative, there are no roots. We're going to consider this graph. Y equals x squared take 2x plus m, or c. And as that, I'll change it to m. As that value of m changes, the graph either lifts up or drops down. So for some values of m, there are two real distinct roots. For some values of m, there are no real roots. And for some magical value of m somewhere in between, there will be one repeated root there. So graphically, we can sort of tell that when m is 1, it's only going to have one root. The discriminant lets us find this algebraically. So if you're looking at x squared take 2x plus m, and you're only after one solution, what we can say is that the discriminant, which often we write as a triangle, I'm actually not sure why, we just denote it as a triangle, which is b squared take 4ac will equal 0. So if we're hunting one root, it's 0. If we're hunting two roots, we would replace this sign here with a greater than 0. We're looking for a range of values such that it's greater than 0. And then after that, we just substitute in values. So b squared is that minus 2. So minus 2 squared, take 4ac. That is, a is that 1, b is the minus 2, c is the constant on the end, 4ac. And that's what we're subbing in to here. And as you sub in, do use brackets for each substitution. It will save you when it comes to things like negatives. Then we have negative 2 squared is positive 4, minus 4 lots of m equals 0. Take 4 from both sides. Minus 4m equals minus 4. Divide both sides by minus 4, and m is equal to 1. What this is saying is that when m is 1, there is only one repeated solution. And we can sort of see that from the graph, dragging it up and down. Often you'll be asked to find when there are no solutions, or when are there two solutions. And that setup is very much similar. So for us, this will have two solutions. So, two solutions. When the discriminant is greater than 0. And we've already found the discriminant here. 4 take 4m. So when 4 minus 4m is greater than 0, we have two solutions. And now we solve, take 4 from both sides, so minus 4m is greater than 0, greater than, goodness, minus 4. And then we divide by negative 4, but does anyone remember the trap that's sort of living here? Yeah, this bit acts like an equal sign until we multiply or divide by a negative. Yeah, so when we, at this stage, divide by minus 4, the sign flips. What that is saying is when m is less than 1, there will be two solutions. And we can verify that graphically. If I drag this slider down, as soon as I make m less than 1, there are two solutions. So, discriminant is a way that we determine how many solutions there are, and this can be true for when a line meets a curve, and you'll get on to some more complicated ones towards the end of the questions. But I don't want to talk for too long to start. I will let you guys work for like half an hour now, and then we're going to pause and look at graphing quadratics. So, can you please make a start on those ones?